CablePrep, tools you trust since 1979. Focus, fiber optic connector insertion extraction tool. Long, narrow patented jaws facilitate insertion and removal of connectors without disturbing adjacent cables. The patented tips of the tool provide a firm grasp on small form factor connectors. A removable flashlight improves visibility while navigating through poorly lit and congested enclosures. The patented notch on one tip prevents the latch from being depressed when inserting a connector and facilitates an audible click sound when the connector is seated properly. During removal, the straight tip depresses the latch and frees the connector from its port. Specially designed for servicing high-density patch panels in the central office, FTTP, and OSP applications, the Focus tool makes it easy to insert and remove a small form factor connector without disturbing adjacent connections. Its patented design makes it truly unique in the industry. CablePrep, tools you trust since 1979.